Out here where the earth meets the sky, with a hoe in hand and a hat to shade my eye, I plant my seeds row by row, feeling that gentle breeze start to blow. Oh, the farm life is the life for me, simple and sweet as the golden honeybee. From dawn's first light to the twilight's gleam, living a dream in the heart of the green. The sun climbs high and the crops reach up, like a toast to the sky with a green leafy cup. Tending the fields, watching them grow, it's a love that only a farmer would know. Oh, the farm life, it's a humble plea to work with the land and let the land work with thee. From the rustling corn to the wheat's soft sway, it's the art of the earth in its own ballet. And when the day's work is finally done, I look over the fields at the setting sun. The beauty of rural, a canvas so vast, a painting of memories of a life that will last. Yes, the farm life, it's a song so true, a melody played under skies so blue. With every seed planted and every crop crowned, it's the rhythm of life where peace is found. So here's to the farm and the life it brings, a symphony of nature, of simple, beautiful things. May the seeds we plant and the crops we tend bring us back to the start as the seasons blend.